Hey, Dog Captain America, Dog 4. Is it that Cat Princess? Yes, he is. Hey guys, Cat Princess is a fudge packer. Will you just call me? Hey guys, that's Cat Princess. How come you say fudge pugs that Cat Princess? I'm not a fudge packer. Dude, you don't have to be say shame or anything. But I'm not a fudge packer. The why you packing fudge? I am not. I'm extremely busy Mario character. That's it. I'm calling all your parents right now. Doc, I am mad. How dare you call Cat Princess a fudge packer? That's it. You are grounded for 2 days. Go to your room right now. Doc Captain America. How dare you call Cat Princess a fudge packer? That's it. You are grounded for 2 weeks. Go upstairs to your room right now. Dog 4. How do you call Cat Princess a fudge packer? That's it. You are grounded for 3 weeks. Go to room right now. Dark Hulk. How do you call Cat Princess a fudge packer? That's it. You are grounded for 2 days. Go upstairs to room right now. Dark Black Widow. How do you call Cat Princess a fudge packer? That's it. You are grounded for 3 days. Go upstairs to room right now. Dark Falcon. How do you call Cat Princess a fudge packer? That's it. You are grounded for 3 days. Go upstairs to room right now. Dark Hawkeye. How do you call Cat Princess a fudge packer? That's it. You are grounded for 3 weeks. Go upstairs to room right now.